Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this keyboard problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So you have to just follow my screen and we'll fix this issue together. Firstly, just go to the access, just right click on the start icon, then click on settings and select accessibility. Then once we are here, we need to click on keyboard. Just scroll down and select keyboard, then again scroll down and enable this option on screen keyboard. Once done, then just go to the search bar and type your device manager. Click here. Now we need to upgrade the keyboard driver, so expand this, right click here, select properties. Once we are here, go to the drivers tab, click on update drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then click on search automatically for your drivers. Now the base drivers of your devices are already installed, so close this window. Again, go to the simply right click here and find out the control panel. So can't find it here, so for that just go to search bar, then type here control panel and then click here to open it. Click on easy to access and click on easy off access center. Now click here. Okay, select this option and you have to just turn off this option. Uncheck this one, the turn on mouse key. So click on OK and close all windows one by one. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Check out the pinned comment.